Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel Coco Beads. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make really easy DIY bracelets. I hope you can make lots of cute bracelets for you and your friends. Yes, choose nice colors and be creative. I'm sure you will make very nice presents for all of them. Are you ready? Okay, let's be creative! If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry. Hit the notification sign and you'll be notified by YouTube every time I post new videos. Hope to see you in my next tutorial, but until then remember to be still beautiful, smile and be very happy.